Been a while.
What you want? What you want?
Hey, long time no see, people. Okay, this is not the new project that I've been so excited to start. Haven't started yet. It's coming. I'm working on coming up with I'm gonna make a blank. I'm doing a blank skull, right? I'm making a blank skull. So, yeah. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, I'm prepping for Haunters Hangout. If you guys don't know what Haunters Hangout is, you need to look up Diablo 85 on YouTube. They do a show every year. It's on its 7th season, I believe it is. Get different haunters on there, from pros to yard haunters, different things. Guys who do makeup, or women who do makeup, people who do masks, scene setters, things like that, and then just full yard haunts and stuff. Get those people on, and they talk about what they do and how they set their stuff up, or tips and tricks and things like that. And it's a whole lot of fun. It's been fun. In the past, been on the show before. It's great. I have a lot of fun with it. But anyway, coming up, not this Wednesday, but next Wednesday, on April 24th, it'll be, starts 8 o'clock Central Time, my time. I'm going to be on Haunters Hangout with a couple other awesome artists that do props in a different fashion than what I do. And it should be a whole lot of fun. I believe the whole setup is going to be about us giving advice and tips and tricks on the way we each do our type of props and things for Halloween. So I'm getting some things ready, Mache wise, so I can show different techniques and things to use, even doing pumpkins or whatever, the skulls and stuff, and working with clay and working with cotton and paper mache paste and things like that. So it's about a 2-hour show. It's a lot of fun. If you guys don't know what it is, definitely check it out. Check out this week's. It's always on a Wednesday night now. This Wednesday coming up, there'll be Haunters Hangout. Go check it out. They've got different prizes and giveaways. They got a lot of sponsors on there. So if you were asking the panel questions, you can get qualified for winning a prize. I mean, shoot, just for watching, you get to win something. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, just thought I'd let you guys know what I'm doing. This is what I'm working on right now. I'll be on in 2 weeks. Should be some fun. And in the meantime, I'll be starting on this next project so we can get some new videos up. Anyway, till next time, keep making something from nothing.